Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're preparing roasted new potatoes. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 230 degrees. Put an oven-safe frying pan in the oven while it's warming up. Once the frying pan is hot, carefully remove it and add the butter to melt. Now add in the rosemary, salt and pepper. Add the potatoes and give everything a really good mix. Arrange the potatoes in an even layer and bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Stir them occasionally while they're cooking. The potatoes are done when they're a beautiful golden brown. This is a really simple recipe, but the potatoes will taste delicious and be cooked perfectly. You can't go wrong. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.